amigos. Time for some watermelon smashing. Here we go. Greg first. Okay, watermelon's prepared to be smashed. Wow. Oh, yeah.
Let's see what happens.
That's some weak
First
sauce right there.
All right, John's turn.
All right. Oh, it's bleeding.
Oh, it's bleeding.
All right, here we go.
Uh-oh, bleeding to
In
death.
the head like that.
Your turn, John. Kiss my mama. Ah! Josh's turn.
Oh. Oh, shit.
Okay, Ryan, your turn. You want to go?
Oh, I want to go. Oh, I want to go.
We're going to eat this.
Ready? Here we go.
Jack's going.
We're not eating this, Ryan.
Ryan, go ahead and eat it.
You're all about food.
Dude, I'm the military guy.
My turn.
Easy does it.
All right, here
Just
we go.
smash it randomly.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Oh,
Excuse me.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Oh, God, my
I'm
eyes.
hungry. Time out. Wait. I'm going to try
I
this.
dare you.
I'm going to try this.
Oh.
Stop it, guys.
Ryan.
It's not even that gross. It's pretty good. Right, I dare take that. Come.
We're done.
See this Coke? He dissed my family. You know what? I'm going to explode his stupid head off. All right? You know, Mentos aren't that tasteful when you get exploded. I want poopy.
All right, guys, your mom in the back.
Here we go.
All right, let's do this.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
No! It was nice. It's champagne, man. Wait, put some more in.
Put some more in.
It's not going to work.
Let's see. No, it doesn't work.
Keep trying to fun.
Wait, check this out.
Dude, can I have an actual memento?
Ryan wants an actual Mentos. No, it didn't work.
It's because we lost all of it. That's what you get.
That's what he gets.
He's eating a memento.
Wait, is that a new pack?